Howdy everyone. Welcome to another Positive Gravity. I'm going to be starting a new project today. I've got this piece of birch that came from a tree in our front yard. Looks like it was maybe in March of 2021 that this was cut down, so 8 months ago. And this piece has probably been sitting in the shop since then, more or less. So it's mostly dry. This tree did have birch beetles, and so there could be some interesting things going on inside here. We'll see. But this piece is interesting because it has 3 branches, and there's some significant stress points here and here that could contribute to some interesting patterns inside here. So we'll see. The plan is to find a way to attach this and turn it this way and make a really kind of a flat plate out of it. So we'll see how that goes. I've never done quite a piece like that, so I don't know what will happen. Maybe it'll just explode. But I don't expect much of this bark to survive. It's really loosely attached, but I don't know. We'll see what happens. It'll be an interesting experiment. So thanks for tuning in, and I hope you enjoy the process.